Where pressure pipe networks really are different are not only in the types of parts. Instead of structures, we have fittings as well as appurtenances, but also the focus on the design not being driven by gravity. So we have a lot more capability to work with vertical design. Well, let's see how we do this in this exercise. Chapter 1104, our pressure pipe network edit profile drawing. And we see our pressure pipe network already drawn in profile view. We see the crossing already here. The key factor with working with the information, of course, we cannot add any items that are horizontal in design. So you see that the pipes are already drawn to their horizontal locations, and this is the key factor here. So we need to add our elbows in profile view. Select any part that represents that pipe network that we're going to be editing. Contextual ribbon opens up. We're going to choose Edit Network, Profile Layout Tools. So we have the information to be able to add certain items. What we're going to add is a bend. It's a 45-degree bend. Choose to click or add bend here. Notice it says specify placement point for fitting. And just as if we were working in plan view, notice as I float over that pipe, the little glyph or preview opens or shows up along my crosshairs, and I just pick, and then it asks me the direction that this fitting goes. And so in this case, it's going to go clockwise as it's going up, and that fitting's drawn accurately in this vertical exaggerated profile view. We're going to add another bend, and again, just float over this pipe. It'll add it to the end of the pipe, and again, we're going clockwise as it's going down. And there we go. So we have all the fittings. And so I'm going to go ahead and close this because now we're going to draw our pipe in plan view. We see the hole that we have going on here between the two fittings that we just added. And so again, pick any one of the parts, select Edit Network, Plan Layout Tools, and just choose Pipe Only. Make sure you have the correct size and material. And we add our pipe between the two fittings. The key here, of course, is as we drew this pipe, the fittings were drawn in profile view. Everything's there in profile view, but our new pipe, because we didn't tell it, is not drawn in profile view. So we're going to go ahead and select that pipe, say Draw Parts in Profile View. Our entire network is drawn. So again, we can add vertical pieces, we can add information, we can do pipes, we can do fittings, we can do appurtenances, but realize anything that can be drawn in horizontal or in plan view is expected to be drawn in plan view. What the profile layout design is meant for is any vertical design that we'll be working in for this system.